Jai Sri Krishna. Dear students, today I will explain the users of accounts and their role of impact on accounts informations. Okay, so this is my PPT, please concentrate on it. The users of accounts, it means some of parties and persons and institutions, organizations are interested to know the financial or accounts information of related and specific concern. Okay, so students, users of accounts information is based on two parts. Okay, let's see. The user of accounts based on two parts: external users, another is internal user. Okay, external users are indirectly linked with the specific and related organizations, and internal organizations are directly linked with the specific and related organizations. Okay, so the internal users are managers, officers, sales staff, employees, internal auditors, owners who are directly linked with the specific organizations. Similarly, external users are lenders, investors, consumer groups, external auditors, customer, governments, tax authorities, like that. Okay, so at first we will discuss about internal users. I mean owner, manager, employees. Okay, so next part is the internal users. So internal users, the first point is the owner of the entity or organization. Owner means the proprietor. He always interested to know the progress and profits of the business. Okay, next part is management. Management is also interested to know the accounting position regarding their performance and efficiency of organizations. Similarly, employees are excited to know the profitability part or profitability positions because of the salary and wages and extra bonus incentive, like that. Okay, so these three are basically based on the internal users: owner, management and employees. Now I will explain about the external users. I mean external users are indirectly linked with the specific and related organizations. Okay, so now I will explain about the external users. The first point is the bank or creditors. Okay, sorry, first point is investors. Investor means the person who invests the money into a specific organization to get interest. They also interested to know the profit part or the account information of a specific organization. Similarly, second points are bank and creditors. So as you know that generally bank and creditors are provide the loan to a specific organizations. That's why they are interested to know the financial position of a specific organizations. Next point, suppliers. Supplier means who supply goods to their customer. For your kind information, I would like to say that here the supplier supply goods to a individual customer. I mean, for example, if suppliers supply the goods to an individual customer, then it is treated as business to customers. And if the supplier supply goods or services to a corporate customer, I mean sell goods to a company or organization or institute, then it is called as business to business. Anyway, so the suppliers generally sells goods to their customer on credit basis. That's why he excited to know the financial position of related organizations. Next point आ गया tax authority. So as you know that the tax authorities like income tax department collect the several taxes from organization from business like goods and service tax, I mean GST, import and export tax also, etc. That's why the income tax department and tax authorities are interested to know the accounts related information of a specific organizations. Okay, next, auditor. The main motto of the auditors are to find the mistake from account record as well as check it in proper way. That's why he is also excited to know the accounts information and financial position of the organization. And then last but not least, ultimate customer also interested to know the accounts report or accounts record of the particular organizations. So these above points are users of account information, and we may classify it into two types: internal and external users of accounting information. Okay, so if any doubt regarding the users of accounting information, please call to me. Okay, thank you.